Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here. I'm out at the field to Maiden my ZOHD Drift. So I think it looks pretty nice. There she is, with some stickers on the underneath so you can tell which way's up. Never flown it before, so let's see how she goes. The throttle, which way's the wind blowing? Barely from that direction, so let's give this a shot. And not going to go too fast. I hear the ZOHD's are not a fast flyer, so let's see what happens. Oh, throttle cut.
Throttle active.
Let's try that again. Oh, okay, I see. My fault, my battery wasn't in properly. That's really kind of twitchy on the elevator there in stabilized mode, which you don't have much control over. I'm going to turn it down a little bit and try going to... Wow! Okay, that's the crash that we've seen several times on the other videos, where go into normal mode and she just goes straight into the ground. No hands. Uh-oh, it's gonna go into the trees. I shouldn't have turned it on over there at the bench. It's going around in a circle, and the circle is where I turned it on. I should have brought it out here to turn it on. Now it'll be high enough, it'll be fine.
Flight mode launch.
Oh boy, it tried to crash. I've switched it back to auto mode to recover. So there's definitely still a problem. Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here. I'm out at the field and ready to fly the Drift for the first time FPV. So keep watching and let's see what happens. I have to power on the goggles, but not too early because the battery drains pretty quick. And I'll put them on my head, ready to fly. Then I'll power on the Drift and just test it on the bench, but to make sure the controls are good. Then I unpower it and I have to take it out into the field and turn it on out there so that it gets a GPS lock in the middle of the field and not here. Because the return to home will return to home here if I turn it on here. Yeah, go. Well, it's up there, listen. I think it's gone forever. There she is. If we could reverse the motor. It's wedged. wedged. Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here. I'm out at the field and we're going to test the rebuilt Drift and the rebuilt Bixler 2.